This is the most dangerous lake in the world. Lake Michigan is calm, vast, and deceptive. Fishermen tell stories of strange sounds echoing from its deepest points, sounds no human could make. One summer night, a research team lowered microphones into the lake to record the sounds. At first, there was nothing. Then a low, resonant hum began to rise from the depths. It wasn't mechanical. It wasn't animal. It was something else entirely. The hum grew louder, forming patterns almost like a language. Whispers, wails, commands. The recordings caught eerie echoes of names, places, warnings. Suddenly, the sonar detected movement, a massive shadow too large for any known creature. It circled the boat unseen but palpable, as if the water itself was alive. The team tried to retreat, but strange currents pushed them back toward the center of the lake. One diver reported seeing faint lights beneath the surface, structures, or perhaps eyes staring up from the abyss. By dawn, the hum stopped. The shadow vanished, and the team returned to shore, shaken and silent. Locals still report hearing strange noises at night. Some say it's the lake itself calling out. Others whisper that something sleeps in the depths, and it will only awaken for those who dare listen.